Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing interview. This is the MOUNTRAX Back Massager with heat. Okay, let's check this out here. Okay, looks like I've got some instructions. Right, initially, it's pretty nice, soft and supple there. We have our remote control here in this bag. Nice long cord on there, that's cool. It has direction, intensity, warmer, and timer on there. Okay, this has a cigarette lighter adapter, so you can use this in a car too. That's pretty cool. Plug this in and fire this thing up here. So just click the power together this way. Oh yeah, it's a lot better, more contoured. Had it the wrong way. Oh yeah, it's better. Getting the lower back there. So it has intensity. Oh, that feels pretty warm already. On low, so it's got two settings for the temperature, low and high. Then we've got a timer, 15 minute to 25 minute. Direction and intensity. So it has a few different modes there. 1, 2, 3. And then the intensities, 1 and 2. Kind of relaxing there, just not a bad little, I'm just kind of giving a little, like a round massage there. Fits nicely there on the neck. Let's see the massage here. Oh, okay. I used to get pretty intense neck pain till I switched my pillow. And this would definitely help out there on that. Switch up the direction. Okay, so one way it's got them like the whole massaging part going like up towards the neck, and then you can switch it to come in and down. So that's nice. You can switch up the massages. That's actually quite relaxing there. And then I can switch up the intensity, which is just the speed there. And let's get a little bit more heat. And that's getting right on my neck there, because I used to get neck pain that would start here and just go up into and work its way over into my temple, and it would just make a bad day all day. So that's actually super comfortable. It feels nice actually. That gets right where I would need it if I had like that pain. So if I just move that down a little bit more, I think I can just put my shoulders on there. Maybe. Let's do like, okay, let's try that. See what that's like. Oh, it's actually pretty intense there. That is, yeah, right on the like right below the traps on the shoulder blade there. Decent massage, got plenty of strength. It's not very noisy either. Well, friends, as we can see, it's pretty versatile. The cord is plenty long, so if we want to do our massages, if we're sitting on the couch or something, this is going to reach a good distance. And the remote is very responsive. Obviously, it's plugged in there, but it works really well. Just hold with one hand, you can just press whatever button you want. So whether you're getting a shoulder massage, a back massage, neck massage, or even a foot massage in a pinch, this thing works pretty well. I mean, decent heat also. I like it. It heats up rather quickly. You see it? I don't know if you guys can see that. It turns like, when I have the heat on, see it's like turning red there. So it has that pretty intense like red light heat, and you see the massagers working there. So that's pretty cool. This thing is nice and soft too. It's not like binding on me or anything like that. And so, okay, we can actually see how the directions are changing. And then the intensity levels just speeds that up so you can see what we're dealing with there. Okay. So, yeah, decent little massage here for sure, my friends. It's quite relaxing. Really like that on my neck. It was just like perfect for where I used to get my neck pain really bad for years. And that would have been nice to have this, because pretty much I just have to suffer through it, and it wasn't a lot of fun. But anyways, regardless of that, my friends, pretty sweet little massager here. Thanks for watching this review. Hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.